YouTube, what is up with y'all, boy? It's your boy AJ Got Kicks back at it again with yet another video. And by the title, you already know what we got. We got it in the mail, yeah. Yes, sir. Man, we got it in the mail, man. Let me know down below. Y'all got the restock today on Snipes. You know, we ain't gonna talk about it because, you know, good vibes only. Good vibes only. But yes, bro, we got him in the mail. I cannot. Oh, I was waiting. I was looking at the tracking number this whole time. Like, man, come on in. I just got off of work, so I was able to pick him up downstairs from the apartment complex. I'm like, bro, man, I cannot wait to look at these. But before we do, can y'all please, can y'all do it for me? Please, can y'all do it for me? Hit the sub button, hit the like button, comment down below if you got them, go and get them. Delayed dubs, it's only delayed dubs around here. Or if you already got them, shoot, you already got them, man. But let me know down below all of that, bro. And subscribe to me if you new. Like down below, all that good stuff. But man, I cannot wait, bro. Let's look at these in hand. See how these look. Man. Come on, man. Don't disappoint me. I see all these YouTubers. They got all these good pairs, and the leather's so good, and all that stuff over there, stretch marks and all that stuff on it. Man, like Christmas, bro. As you can see, regular Nike box, then regular Nike One box, actually. As you can see, man, I can't wait, bro. As you can see right here, I'll zoom in for you. Y'all see it. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, size 11. Y'all already know. All right, come on. Okay, let me show y'all. Y'all can see for me though. Okay, how we looking? How we looking? Let's go. All right, let me put this down. Lot number. Y'all can check me. Y'all already know. If yours ain't come with a lot number, okay. Anyway, so let's look at this shoe. Put this down. And that. Y'all got it. Let me put this away because y'all not seeing the full collection. Sail laces, that's all it come with. Sail laces and black laces on the top. If yours ain't, again, if yours ain't come with this, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Anyway. Okay, let me let y'all see the shoe. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Toe box. How we looking on the toe box? How we looking? Looking good? Yeah, we looking good. Oh my God. Bro, and then the test. Oh, you see it? Oh, this is beautiful. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is Jordan 1 of the year. Hands down. Better than my Royal Toes, better than my Lucky Greens, definitely better than the Biohacks, bro. This Jordan 1 of the year. Easy, no cap. And we ain't talking about no Dior ones, because I know some of y'all old Dior ones, you know, they better. Ain't nobody touching Dior ones. Let me know who got the Dior ones and it's real. Let me know. Nobody got the Dior ones. Okay, then. This is Jordan 1 of the year. Oh my God, look at this. Bro, look. Look at this. Bro, this is perfection, yo. What? This is perfection. This is crazy, bro. Oh my God, this is crazy, yo. Look at this. Bro, I don't care what y'all gotta pay. Like, well, actually, I do care. Because, you know, y'all my guys. And females. But y'all my people. I do care what y'all gotta pay. But man, if I didn't get this shoe and I seen this, okay, basically, let's do this. Let's start this over. If my friend got him and gave it to me and like, oh, look at my shoe, how you like them? Seeing it in hand will make you want to pay resale. And I'm not, no joke, no cap. No kizzy. I wouldn't lie to y'all. But look at this, bro. This is a beautiful constructed shoe. Like, black toe bottom. We got the white toe right here. Y'all seen it. Black outer sole right here. Regular Nike. Nothing crazy on the bottom. Then we got the black around the toe box right here, leading up into this. This is the black toe colorway. I believe it's the black toe colorway. And then we got the black Nike swoosh right here, leading up into this brown upper. It doesn't come apart like the biohacks do, as you can see right here. And then on the inside, yeah, that's what I believe it was. Straight Nike Air on the bottom, size 11. You see it. And then this isn't white. This is sail color. The laces. This is sail color. And actually, this isn't straight white either. This isn't the same as this. The bottom. Wait. Okay, y'all see it. This bottom is darker than here. You can see it on the camera. This bottom is a darker sail than this. This is like white up here, and then this is like sail, like right here. As you can see right here. This is white, this is sail. Sail white, sail white. Well, not right, like off-white, a little off-white. It's not just white, not white. Yeah, it's not white. This is like a little sail, but, and then up here, as you can see on the tongue right here, it has like a black little tag right here with the white Nike check. But man, this is a beautiful shoe, bro. This is a beautiful shoe. And I didn't even win off of sneakers, which is crazy. I didn't win off of sneakers. I actually went off of, you can see right here. Y'all see it? Yeah, I went off of JD Sports. I don't know how. So right now, I don't know how. Look at the other pair of shoes. I think we straight. It's crazy, bro. Look at, bro, these are beautiful. These are beautiful, bro. These, I promise you, bro, if you get these in hand, you be like, you know what, I don't even care how much money I paid for them. 370, 360, 350, bro. These are beautiful. I can believe that they will go down once everybody restocks. Like Snipes had theirs. And then sizes popping up at like local malls and stuff like that. So I believe that they will go down a little bit, but you ain't, if you, oh, let me wait till they hit 250. That's not gonna happen. Let me wait till they hit 270. That's not gonna happen. They probably will hit under like maybe 320. Nah, I don't even know if that's gonna happen. Like, to be honest, bro, because everybody wants these, because look at this. This is fire. 1, because they fire. 2, because they Jordan 1s. 3, because it's basically holiday season. And 4, because they are based, Travis Scott 1s are based off of it. Like Mocha. This is the same color, Mocha. These are fire, bro. These are really fire. I'm so glad I was able to cop a pair. But yeah, again, let me know down below if y'all like them, y'all rock with them, y'all gonna get them off of y'all got them off of Restock and hidden stores, raffles, you know, Stock X prize, gold prize, one of them. Yeah, let me know down below what y'all feel about these. You know, what y'all feel about these. Let's talk about it in the comment section. But really appreciate y'all watching my channel. It means a lot to me. You know, we going slowly, but I rock with it. You know, any progress is progress. You know what I mean? But yeah, so I really appreciate y'all watching. But yeah, I hope we all get dubs, you know, because, you know, y'all get dubs, I get dubs. I feel good about it. But yeah, you know, more reviews on the way. I promise you. We just heating up. We heating up. I got the off-white vibes too. Make sure you gotta check out that video. It's gonna come soon. It's gonna come soon. So post notifications on, like button, and all that stuff. But yeah, without further ado, you know, follow me on socials. You're gonna see that at the end, Twitter, Insta, all that good stuff. Without further ado, you know me. I'm AJ Got Kicks. And we out.
Money might walk. I'm walking in with the drill. I got a fee on my hip. Promethazine what I sip. I'm out the lane. I just might trip.